my god. Wealth, not fame. Power, not money. There is a difference between wealth is only for temporary. Riches are temporal. Hold on, what is it? Riches are temporary and wealth is generational. So on and so forth. Why are you so serious? You can't just be disappearing from camera like that. Yeah, it's my camera. I'm the director and the actor. Who are you? Do you even matter? Yes, actually, technically, everybody matters because what you do affects the people around you and it creates universes. The current universe we're living in is based off the actions we choose and free will determine. But is it really free will when you question yourself so many times and you don't really make a decision? This immortal spaceman. This chose to become a spaceman. I want to see. Forever in my books, I'll write the truths and fallacies. Until the council has had it with me. But who are they to judge? Who are you to judge? I be the jury and executioner. Are you my executioner? Everybody nowadays talking, most walking, ain't none of them making choices that matter. Follow somebody who matters. Somebody who matters just inspires another. Or do you fall in line like all the others? I'm just trying to apologize to my brother, a broken lover, somebody along the path that I didn't hurt. Maybe if enough of us do this, or notice how to do that, this world will be a little better. Somebody might have a reason to keep their head up. Instead of getting the gap, pull the lead up, or put the lead up. Shit, pull the trigger, never let up. I hope they let up, the rain will never let up. It rains around, this is my town. For some reason, no one took the throne and left it better. I took the throne and cleaned it off, all the crust, all the rust from these other people sitting on it. It was meant for me, polished was it by me until the time that I had the ability to wear the ring of the motherfucking king. Kiss it, but don't diss it. I hear you in the background, a bunch of snitches, talking shit about the people we put in ditches. We put you down just like them. Show your face around town, you will find a gun runner coming for you. Whether in front or behind, always have your head on a swivel. I'm starry-eyed. She say she star-crossed. I never really found a lover who I can love like no other. Everything's just something for current. And as I listen to the waves of the current, I chose to turn to my Bible in Corinth. I'm up here to vent in the sky. On my clouds, I'm so high. I shouldn't have climbed up. They say, oh, they say, oh, they, who are they to say, who are they? Why must I give you cause to choose my fate? Who are you to choose the reason or the way I walk today? I chose every step I made. I didn't let it get made for me. And as I lay you down, my baby, softly go to sleep, 'cause I killed this motherfucking beak.